The global salami market is valued at over $25 billion, with factories churning out slices daily. Let's explore the process behind salami slice production. The journey of salami slices starts with selecting high-quality cuts of pork and beef. In the factory, only the best meats are chosen for production, undergoing rigorous inspection to ensure they are free from defects and contamination. After passing inspection, the meat is trimmed to remove excess fat and unwanted pieces, ensuring only the finest parts remain. Once trimmed, the meat is sent to large grinders, where it is finely ground in preparation for the next steps in creating the perfect salami slices. In the grinding stage of salami production, large quantities of meat are fed into powerful industrial grinders. These machines are designed to coarsely grind the meat to achieve the ideal texture for salami. The consistent grind is crucial, as it determines the final texture and mouthfeel of the salami slices. Once ground, the meat is transferred into large mixing containers, where it will be blended with spices, herbs, salt, and curing agents. This step ensures that the ground meat is uniformly prepared and ready for the next stage, maintaining efficiency while delivering high-quality results. The precision in grinding sets the foundation for the rich, distinct flavor and texture that makes salami so beloved worldwide. Next, the ground meat is combined with a carefully selected blend of spices and seasonings. This typically includes salt, garlic, black pepper, and sometimes paprika, depending on the recipe. In a factory setting, large industrial mixers are used to ensure these ingredients are evenly distributed throughout hundreds of pounds of meat. This thorough mixing is essential to achieving a consistent flavor in every slice of salami, ensuring that the final product meets quality standards. Now, essential curing agents like sodium nitrate are added to the seasoned meat mixture. These agents preserve the salami, enhance its flavor and color, and prevent harmful bacteria growth. Afterward, the meat mixture is thoroughly blended to ensure the curing agents are evenly distributed, preparing the salami for the next stages of production while ensuring safety and quality. After mixing, the meat is ready to be stuffed into casings. In a modern factory setting, high-speed machines efficiently handle this process. The mixture is pushed through these machines, filling casings made from either natural or synthetic materials. The meat is carefully packed to the desired thickness, ensuring consistency across each batch. Once filled, the casings are tied off at regular intervals, forming individual salami sausages. This automated process ensures precision, speed, and uniformity in salami production, setting the stage for the next steps in curing and fermentation. The result is a perfectly shaped salami, ready to develop its signature flavor and texture. In the fermentation process, filled salami sausages are transferred to a specialized fermentation room, where they are hung on racks. Here, they are exposed to controlled temperatures and humidity levels. Over several days to weeks, beneficial bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid, creating salami's signature tangy flavor while preserving the meat. The length of fermentation varies based on the type of salami being produced, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor and texture. The drying and egging process is a crucial stage in salami production, where the sausages undergo a significant transformation. After fermentation, the salami is hung in large, carefully regulated drying rooms. In these rooms, factors like ventilation, humidity, and temperature are constantly monitored to ensure optimal conditions. As the salami loses moisture, its flavors become more concentrated, and the texture firms up. The drying period can last anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of salami being produced. During this time, a naturally occurring white mold begins to develop on the casing of the salami. This mold plays an important role, not only serving as a protective barrier, but also enhancing the flavor of the meat as it ages. The mold is a vital component of the aging process, contributing to the unique taste and character of each salami. Through this careful management of environmental conditions, the salami develops its distinct flavor and texture, perfectly preparing it for slicing and packaging. This process is what gives salami its iconic taste and ensures its high quality. After fermentation, drying, and smoking, employees carefully inspect every salami sausage in the final inspection and quality control process. They make sure it has aged appropriately by looking for the right size, shape, and amount of white mold growth on the casing. The production line removes any salami that does not exceed quality standards and is either reprocessed or disposed of, ensuring that only the best goods are packaged. The final step in the processing stage in salami production is the slicing process. In a large factory, high-speed slicing machines are used to cut the salami into uniform slices. These machines are meticulously calibrated to achieve a specific thickness based on the product's requirements. Consistency in slicing is critical, ensuring each package contains evenly sized slices, providing a uniform look and texture. This not only helps with packaging efficiency, but also enhances consumer satisfaction by delivering a predictable, high-quality product. After slicing, the salami is immediately sent for packaging, preserving its freshness and flavor until it reaches the store shelves or your plate. After the salami is sliced, it moves to the packaging stage, where vacuum sealing machines play a vital role. These machines remove air from the package, creating a tight seal that prevents oxidation and bacterial growth. This process extends the shelf life of the salami slices, ensuring freshness and quality for longer periods, ready for distribution to stores and consumers. In the boxing and storage step, labeled salami packages are placed into protective boxes for safe transportation. These boxes are then moved to a temperature-controlled storage area, ensuring the salami's freshness and quality are preserved before shipping. The final step in producing salami slices is shipping them to retailers and distributors. After packaging, the salami is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring it remains at the correct temperature during transit. Efficient logistics systems guarantee that the salami reaches its destination quickly and in optimal condition. From there, the salami is delivered to grocery stores, supermarkets, and food service providers, where it becomes available for consumers to purchase, ensuring a fresh, high-quality product every time. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from premium cuts of pork and beef to perfectly sliced salami. Be sure to check out our next video on how bacon slices are made.